Hey Taylor, what are you doing this weekend?
Here, are doing is the present continuous tense, but the word this weekend indicates a scheduled future event, making it a future reference.
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet uses the present simple tense to express a current state of uncertainty.
I was thinking about going to the movies.
I was thinking is the past continuous tense, indicating a past action related to the consideration of going to the movies.
Wanna join?
Wanna join is an informal way of asking if someone wants to do something in the future. Wanna is a colloquial form of want to.
That sounds like a great idea. Which movie are you planning to watch?
Sounds is a present simple verb expressing a current opinion or reaction. Are you planning is the present continuous tense, asking about a future intention.
I heard there's a new action movie releasing.
I heard is the past simple tense, indicating a past action of receiving information. Is releasing uses the present continuous tense to talk about a future event.
I think it will be exciting. We can catch the evening show on Saturday.
We can catch is the present simple tense, expressing a future possibility.
Perfect, I'm in.
I'm in is the present simple tense, expressing agreement.
What time does the movie start?
Does is the present simple tense, asking about a future event.
The show starts at 7 p.m.
Starts is the present simple tense, indicating a scheduled future event.
We should grab dinner before that.
Should grab is the present simple tense, expressing a suggestion for a future action.
How about trying that new Italian restaurant downtown?
How about trying is the present continuous tense, suggesting a future possibility.
Sounds delicious. Let's meet at the restaurant around 5:30 p.m.
Let's meet is a contraction of let us meet, and it's a suggestion for a future action. This is an example of the imperative mood used to make a plan. Around 5:30 p.m. is a reference to a specific time in the future, using the present simple tense to indicate a scheduled event.
Works for me. After the movie, maybe we could go for coffee and discuss the plot.
Could go is the modal verb, could, with the base form of the verb, go, expressing a possibility for a future action. Discuss is the present simple tense, indicating a planned action for the future.
Sure, that sounds like a plan. Where should we grab coffee?
Should grab is the present simple tense, suggesting a future action.
How about the cafe across the street from the theater?
How about is an informal way of making a suggestion for a future action, using the present simple tense.
Great idea. So, to summarize, we're meeting at the Italian restaurant at 5:30 p.m., watching the movie at 7 p.m., and then heading to the cafe afterward?
Where meeting is the present continuous tense, indicating a scheduled future event. Watching is the present continuous tense, indicating a planned future activity. Heading is the present continuous tense, indicating a planned future action.
Exactly. It's going to be a fun evening.
It's going to be is the future simple tense, indicating a prediction or expectation about a future event. In this case, the expectation is that the evening will be fun.
Agreed, I'm looking forward to it.
I'm looking forward to it uses the present continuous tense, expressing anticipation and excitement for a future event. The continuous tense is often used to convey a sense of ongoing action or emotion. Overall, in this conversation, you can see how different tenses are used to convey various aspects of time, including present simple for routine actions, present continuous for future plans, present simple for opinions, and future simple for predictions about future events. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to gain more valuable English knowledge.